Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a secret message card for our father. Now let's start working for the card. To make this Father's Day card, we need some materials, and the materials are 3 colored cardstock paper or chart paper. So I'm using a red one, a yellow one and a white one, but you can choose any color of your choice. Also you will need a glue and scale. So I took the white paper and cut it in half, and for the next step we are going to need a scale and a pencil. So I'm going to take the scale and measure how long the paper is. So it is 27 centimeters. So I'm going to divide it in 3 parts. So I'm going to mark it on 9 and 18. I'm going to do the same thing down. Now we are going to do the folding part. So we are going to fold it on the second line. And then fold this part on the other part. Now fold this half. And then open it. And do the same thing on this. And we are done. I got the yellow paper and then I drew a circle on it and then cut it. Now we are going to draw an emoji. So I'm using a pencil to avoid some mistakes. Now we are going to trace this with marker. Now, I have colored this emoji and now we have to cut the emoji. Take the help of your parents to cut. We cut the 2 parts in half and now we are going to need this paper. And we are going to also need some glue. And we are going to stick this. We are going to stick this over here like this. After sticking, it should look like this. Now the next step is that we are going to write the secret kind message for our dad. So the materials we need are this soap, tape, and any colored acrylic paint. I wrote this message for my dad, and now we are going to write the hidden kind words for our dad. These are the words that I am writing for my dad. You can write any message you want. Now we are going to cover the words with clear tape. I have taken a little bit of this soap and then I'm going to add a little bit of acrylic paint. And now mix it well. And then we are going to cover this paint on the words. added a second coat of paint and it is completely dry now. And now you can decorate it as you want. Now I've finished decorating my card. I'm gonna stick this penny over here so your dad can take this penny off and scratch the words. I took the red paper and cut the heart shape out of it. Now we are gonna write Happy Father's Day on it. Now I'm gonna stick this heart behind our card. Now our Father's Day card is ready. Hope your dad likes it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like to this video and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Bye.